Hi there, Adita Lang from aditalang.com, and let's see what today's workout is going to bring us. I need you to do a little bit of cardio, and so my recommendation to you is to do a bit of cardio before you get this workout started. You don't have to do like a full 30 or 40 minutes. Maybe do 10 or 15 minutes just so you can get your body warmed up and start to break a sweat. That's what I want you to do. Then you know your body's completely ready to do whatever it is I'm going to put in front of you. The second thing I want you to remember is that this routine that you're going to see is meant and designed for you to do it 2 times. So you're going to see me go through it once, and the second time, just so that you don't have to watch me suck wind as I do the second one, I do that on my own, but you are just going to replay this video and do that. Another recommendation I have for you is that maybe in between doing the routine twice, you put in another little bout of cardio. That way you keep your heart rate up and you burn some extra calories. And if not, if you wanted to finish off your cardio at the end or anywhere in between, you can do that as well. Okay, so let's get started. Today we're going to be using a stability ball in addition to our dumbbells.